And we are back. That is so beautiful. Recently, someone was like, I don't understand why you would move to a place like that. People were dying and blah, blah. People are dying in this world all over the place. You know what? This is my happy place. Why are you going to crap on my happy place? This makes me happy. There's some people, they'll never move up here. They don't like this kind of life. I enjoy it. I've been up here a little on and off for the last 5 years, but last year I stayed up here an entire year. This year I stayed up an entire year. Before that I was driving up and down and staying at my friend Ray's house. Thank you, Ray, if you see this. Oh, wow. So that would be down below. We're at the edge of the mountain right now. I don't think I'm gonna be able to see anything. I need to get one of those. Yeah, I need a larger vehicle that's high off the ground. Just so I can just drive around like they do. Now, right now, whether you have all-wheel drive or 4x4, you're required to wear chains. Everyone has their chains on no matter what. That's a little loose. They're not supposed to sound like that. But look at that. Look how beautiful this is. I'm gonna wait a second before I start going any further. It is so cool. They waving. All right, let me walk fast right here. Snow's starting to come down hard right now. It hurts. Wow. That's the road. I'm on the 18, by the way, right now. Everyone's so friendly. They're probably wondering, what's the person go back on? But I'm just going to walk a little bit. This is my adventure. I don't have to go up Mount Baldy right now and try to go hiking. Because of my own backyard. This is rad. You know what? Now I'm gonna start walking back now. Yeah, across this. Now I've seen people walk on the 18 before, but without all this craziness. This is a road right here. I believe that goes up to a church. It is gone. That's not gonna happen. Oh, wow. So, in a few days, I'll be able to finally go to work, hopefully. I think Sky Park is supposed to reopen in, on hopefully Saturday, Sunday. But we're gonna see because depends on how much more gets dumped on us right now. That will determine whether or not we open. I have a feeling there's too much work. Caltrans has literally been working nonstop. I don't know if you're following them, but they've been bringing out the big machines to clear out the 330 and the 18. I kind of want to climb up here. Let me see. I'll show you guys the forest there. There we go. Oh. There we go. That's the forest right there. Wow, that's pretty. That's where the aminos live. I do not want to go there. Look at that. Let me carefully go back down into my same footsteps. Whew. And I'm safely back down again. Why does that look so neat? That person's going really fast. They're not going to be able to stop. And that person does not have snow chains on. They must not live up here. Must be one of those Airbnbers. There's a lot of Airbnbers trapped up here right now. Poor things. They're like, what about food? Oh no, well, you got neighbors. And some of the main roads to go to markets and stuff like that have been opened. A few people I've been following online, they went to the market, they brought their snow sleds. That's brilliant. And so they hiked to the market, got their supplies, and sled their supplies back. I think that is awesome. That's incredible. Oh, trees. I shouldn't be underneath this, but there's no huge branches falling down. Like see those? These. See that? You don't want to get underneath this. See how it's starting to dip down? It wants to give way. It'll either snap with the weight of the snow. See how they're all drooping? You'll either snap with the weight, fall on top of you or a car. Or those big chunks like that will hit you. Look at that. That's a lot of snow. Did you see the top of that car? He was like, that's enough. I'm not gonna dig anymore. It'll fall off or freeze on. The top of my car, it is solid ice. I cheated a little bit today. I dug enough, but then I was like, I'm just gonna throw in some ice melt, soften it up a little bit, because you usually have to break off the big chunks. And then usually I pick them up by my hands and throw them like stuff like actually bigger than this. Look at that. Solid. Well, that is straight ice. Wow. If you're driving carefully around me, that's very nice of them. See how they're driving properly? See, that's how you're supposed to drive, not flying across snow and ice. See, yeah, I need to get a bigger car. That's another vehicle I was thinking about getting. A nice 4Runner. Lifting it a little bit. Okay, a lot. Putting some aggressive tires on it. And cross between an FJ, a 4Runner, a Jeep. See, with the 4Runner, I can put my supplies in. The FJ also, I can put my supplies in, and it won't stick out as much. Wow, look at that. It's buried under there. That's the animal hospital. That is crazy. More people behind me. They're smart. They got a snowboard. Yeah. This is the part that I was worried about. I gotta go up. I'm gonna be exhausted. I know I'm gonna be breathing hard soon. Yeah, this is the part I was worried about. It's slushy. See if anyone's coming down. I just remembered something. I have a gimbal at home. I could have been using that to stabilize the footage. I'm slowing down. The lack of oxygen. My legs cramping up a little bit. Now I'm feeling the hike. That's cool. Oh, that's a lot of work. Wow. Here I go. Now I'm starting to breathe hard. That's Main Street. Looks like he's still at it. See, you're still at it.
Yeah.
It takes hours.
Yeah, I know. I'm not gonna be able to get out anyway, so.
Yeah. That's smart. I need to get one of those.
Huh.
Snowboard.
Wow, yeah. Yeah, she just went down the street right now.
Oh, that's so awesome. Snowboarder skis.
Yeah, I do my skis once on the road.
Howdy, guys.
Hey, you work at Sky Park too, or is this my sweater? Do you work there?
No, I'm the magician. Look.
Oh.
See? Here I
I
go.
can't see you in there. Hey, okay.
Hey, guys.
All right.
Yeah, I'm the magician. You didn't recognize me because of this.
Uh-huh.
But I recognized that right away. And I was like, who's it? Like, oh, there you go.
That table trick, I like that one. The floating table,
Floating table.
I can't figure it out.
Have you seen the floating bird cage?
No, I don't think I saw that one.
It's a new one. Gotta check that one out. Well, I'll see you over there.
All right, yeah.
Hopefully, we're open. Do you know what's going on with Sky Park?
You
guys get the emails. I don't get anything.
Yeah, so far they're just closed, and I think they're just trying to clear the park.
I don't think they're gonna be open this Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I mean,
I maybe, but I don't think so.
that'd be nice.
Yeah.
But it's gonna be crazy. Whatever you guys do not try to come up here right away, right after the snow.
Yeah, give it a week.
Yeah, exactly what he said. Give it a week. It's gonna be crazy. Those lines are gonna be insane coming up here.
We're down to one lane, so.
Yeah, so what's open right now? Anything?
Stater Brothers for sure.
That's quite a walk.
Snow Valley. Snow Valley's
Oh,
open.
Snow Valley. Oh, they're crazy.
They are crazy. Yeah.
Cool. All right, well, I'm gonna walk back and enjoy what you can.
Really brave.
Looks clean, very clean. I need to work on my car again. I need to get a metal shovel and a snowblower, an actual snowblower. That's funny, I didn't really recognize that. I guess I was covered up. By the way, if you don't know who I am, I'm Wacko the Magician. I perform at Sky Park. But by this time, you probably looked me up or know who I am now. Well, I'm gonna sign off now because I'm gonna be panting the rest of the way up. It's this way, goes way back there, one more steep incline, and then around. So, you guys have a good one. Bye, y'all. Wowzers.